that will probably work. Cooking food in... I am cooking chicken in milk because I don't have any fatty products. Starting to coagulate some, but well, don't have any alternatives right now, so we'll just to see how it goes. Simple cooking. I have some spices. I think this is parsley. I got it in Korea, South Korea. And I bought today some tomato puree and some stalks of locust, what is called, flower products. Crocus. Yeah, it's the crocus stems from crocus, not the tip, just the stem of the flower. It's quite good actually, especially with tomato. Well, looks like this. This. I will have to go out and start cooking food on the streets soon because the ones in power here in Sweden apparently just wants to give me injections with drugs because I don't have a job and whatever. And this will get me moving, therefore. But well, if I only have some money to go with it, yes, I guess it could be sufficient. But I don't really enjoy being mobstered by the corrupt society that I'm living in. I have lived my whole life, not done anything wrong, never, ever. But on the other hand, I have been abused my whole life from not good people that just breaks the law and whatever. To some degree it's okay, but not with breaking the law so that I get hurt. That is where all societies should draw the line. This we'll have to do anyway. A lot of parsley. A lot of this too. Along quite sufficiently, I think. this random cooking of whatever I had available on me. Pretty much all I just got off the plane from Canada, and this is spinning around the globe for one turn. First Singapore, then South Korea, Seoul, South Korea, and then Seattle, Washington, and then bus to Oregon, Portland. I got some help from this church over in America, the United States. So I got some, we could taste some of their lovely cuisine there. Well, but in Canada it was very, very nice, but I had no really apartment. I was just living on the streets. I wanted to get a feeling for it, just to see what shit I have to live through, just so I know in my heart I can say no to certain people. I don't want to go along with everything. So that is that. Right. Don't really have. I just moved in yesterday, so I don't really have much to do about this. Maybe it wasn't necessary to bring it sweetness up, but I don't know if I needed to sweeten this up, but I wish I had some stuff. Well, very, very classic, just cheap taste, but well, it will have to do. Leave it on at number 2. Yeah. And preemptively I have been, had to listen to a lot of disturbed thoughts about the world and stuff, so feels kind of not good, not really good. And that is of course abused by the country I'm living under. But it's the people in power that have, or at least know how to use the power, the laws in Sweden to make me feel bad, and that is giving them paperworks, daddy's influence of force medicating me. No, I don't like that at all. It's why I protest and scream at the police. They need to not allow doctors to decide who gets a life and who does not get a life. But the doctors in Sweden can just, I don't know, take your life away from you if the plan has gone through that way. While the higher ups take enjoyment of whatever it is supposed to mean to them for me to think. It's all just bullshit. Just people talking. I don't believe a single word anyone has said. If I haven't experienced it myself, then it doesn't exist. Well, this is how the